Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan lentil soup using an easy method. First, prepare your vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Next, you'll gently sauté these aromatics in a large pot until they are softened and fragrant. This step is crucial for developing a rich flavor profile. Then, we'll add the lentils and vegetable broth, bringing everything to a gentle simmer. This simple approach ensures a delicious and hearty meal every time. Once your vegetables are tender, it's time to add the star of the show, the lentils. Whether you choose red or green lentils, they will cook down beautifully, absorbing all the wonderful flavors. Let the soup simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the lentils are perfectly soft. Don't forget to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Finally, season generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love, like cumin or turmeric. Hey everyone, if you're finding this easy lentil soup recipe helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: just like a good book can transport you, a warm bowl of soup can comfort you. For your reading adventures, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for recipes or your favorite novels anywhere. Find the link and other great deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Your delicious vegan lentil soup is almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, a fresh garnish like chopped parsley or cilantro adds a vibrant touch and extra flavor. This soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of warm, crusty bread for dipping or a light side salad. It's a comforting and nutritious meal perfect for any day. Plus, it stores incredibly well, making it ideal for meal prep throughout the week.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.